What's up, guys? It's a new day. I'm at the shop. Pulled the car in the shop. I got some space cleared out. Some engines are gone. Last video I primed it just so it doesn't rust because it was sitting outside. There's still plenty of work to do here. Sanding some more and then cleaning some stuff up, cleaning some of the wiring, simplifying it. I need to make it way simpler. Engine sitting here, and right now I'm actually working on simplifying and rerouting my harness a little bit. So basically I need to make sure that my injectors staying at the same spot so I don't mess them up, and basically I want to flip this onto that side by cutting the loom off and then trying to reroute my wiring. And then I need to either get rid of this somehow or tuck it underneath the manifold, basically make it as stealthy as I can and simplify that stuff. And there's some stuff still delete because I didn't use it last time. There's like maybe 15-20 wires which will make my harness thinner, which is a good thing. Then I can get rid of this part right here too, but I don't know yet. I'm just gonna see how it all fits first, and then I thought I'm gonna delete my ABS sensor unit, but I read online it's so much work, and then my speedometer is it's working through ABS, so if I delete that my speedometer won't work, and just a lot of stuff like that. So I think I need to unfortunately keep it. So I need to find a clean way to keep it there. So right now I need to do the wiring. I'm not even gonna do time lapse because it's just gonna be boring. So I'm just gonna do it. A couple days maybe later, I cleaned it up very nicely. There's no more harness going over top. Wire right here for my MAF. Tall body wires going underneath. Basically I flipped the whole harness backwards and extended these for my injectors. I still need to loom them up, make them nice so they don't just ugly like this. And then from here all my main harness is in the back, and then this one goes into ECU and it's gonna go in that hole in the cabin. And then other side is my fuse box that I made, and it's gonna go through one of these holes. Maybe I make this hole bigger, sorry, this hole bigger, and then put them through there. Not sure yet. And then this is my actuator, same thing, is just gonna go over here. I'm not gonna rewire it and extend it and hide it. I'm just gonna leave it in the engine bay somehow. And a few wires going here, a few wires going here. Oh, and I'm relocating my coil packs. I extended this all the way here and then all the way here on this side, and I got this harness extension and this extension. So basically, and then you can put your coil packs wherever you want, which has to be pretty close to the spark plugs. But the nice thing, you can put them next to the engine, like on the chassis, on the frame. Maybe hide them right here or underneath here. Options are unlimited. I don't know if I can order longer coil tubes packs, coil wires to keep my valve covers exposed, because before this whole thing was over here. So it's not a pretty sight, but also it's not terrible. So that would be so much nicer and so much cleaner. It's been a few days of work, but basically all my wiring ran. I think it's pretty decently tucked as much as I can without going too crazy. There's my injectors, other sensors up front, a few sensors right here, and everything is basically in the back, kind of hidden. I still need to zip tie it, in place, put few brackets to hold it down so it doesn't move. Main part on this engine right here is done. So now I need to tackle my wiring here and see what wiring I need to keep, what wiring I don't need. I probably mentioned I did decide to keep my ABS pump, so that's going to be interesting to make it look clean and keep this big unit. I can make my own brackets, I think, and I don't even know. It was like this. Maybe I can just stick it back into here. It's just, how do I make my lines pretty? I don't know. It's probably gonna sit right here. So yeah, I need to figure out this. And then there's a bunch of stuff that I won't be needing anymore. Still need to figure out which one's what. The ones that I think I don't need, I don't remember, but I think I need to keep this. And then there's a bunch of garbage. I think most of the stuff will disappear, but we'll see as I go. Alright guys, I've been back and forth. I took the doors off, getting ready for paint. I'm gonna, as I paint engine bay, I'm probably gonna paint the gems also. So I got the doors off. Same on the other side. There's no door on the other side either. It's over there. So it's a little messy. I'm working on my wiring. But basically, for the cleanup, the way I cleaned up my wiring, I basically pulled the main harness from out of there through the car. I simplified it, deleted a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna run it behind the fender. Same side over there. It's been a few days, so I don't know if I mentioned already, so I'm sorry if I repeat myself. And then another one is gonna right here. I'm gonna either make some brackets or drill some holes in zip tie to here to make it nice. This side a little bit up from the accident when I fixed it the first time around. I might wanna fix it up. And there's some imperfections right here. I don't know if I'm gonna care about all that, but my wiring is simplified. Next step would be scuffing my engine bay and getting ready for paint. I hope my fuse box, well, I can take it apart, but it'll definitely fit in there. It's just the way, I need to figure out the way I'm gonna mount it over here and then run it in there and make it look clean. So that's gonna be an issue. Not really an issue, it's just, I guess, annoying, because I'll need to figure it out. Anyway, pull the booster off, take the rest of the noise cancellation stuff away, get to paint. I'm still debating if I should take this off or not. I mean, honestly, I took this one off and I'm thinking there's probably so much structural material here to the tower, so I don't know what I'm doing. I want it to be too weak and flex. I'm probably gonna get a strut bar, but I don't know if it would be enough or not. It's getting real dark outside. My shop is kind of messy. Did a lot of grinding, a lot of cutting, and some sanding, some wiping. And I think I'm happy with my engine bay as it is right now. I don't think it's gonna get any more, well, it can't get any more cleaner if I weld all the unnecessary holes like that, and all the other ones shot. But I'm not gonna do it because it's a lot of work and I don't feel like doing it. So I basically scuffed it with 180 and then 220, and 220 is enough for a primer in my opinion. So I did wipe it down, blow it off a little good. I'm gonna do one more round of blowing it off. And then I found some primer left over. This primer I use, I buy it from Amazon. Very good stuff. It's pretty thick, so if you plan on sanding, which you probably should after, anyway, the primer lays down very thick. So I plugged all my holes with cardboard, and I'm not gonna blow in here, so I just did sorta plugging. But I didn't fix this mess. I probably did mention something about it. I hope I did. In the future, if I don't like it, we can just pay someone to, you know, tube front end on it, which I probably will never do that. And that thing covers most of it, and then fender covers the rest of it, so you can't really see that damage anyway. So I'm just gonna leave it, I don't care. Everything else is prepped, car is stripped, and right now I'm gonna quick prime it before I go home because I'm tired. Engine bay is primed, so now I need to wait until it dries out and then scuff it up and paint it. I did buy paint already, so that's exciting. Hopefully I'll like it. I don't know, but anyway, it looks really good. I forgot to cover my wheels. I was rushing and I forgot to cover my tires, and now they're white. But hopefully, as I drive, it will wear off. Not too worried about it, whatever. And I didn't care about coilovers. There's a lot of stuff to do now. There's some stuff in the body kit that I need to fix. It started cracking. And I don't know if it's cracking because I remember I had some tension right here. And I wonder if the tension's making it crack, so I think I need to reinforce it somehow. There's two spots like that on that side, and I think I saw some here too. Maybe. Oh yeah, right here. I don't know if you can see that. Door jamb is prepped, other one is not, but I'm not gonna show you anyway because it's basically the same thing. Very easy. Stuff is stripped. It's nice and ready for paint. Again, engine bay looks really good. And wiring, probably mentioned like a million times already. I am tired. I am going home and I'm gonna edit this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.